Hello there, welcome back to another Cloud with Chris weekly vlog. You're with me, Chris Reddington, and here we talk about all things cloud. Now, thank you for joining on this Sunday evening. I hope you are all keeping safe and well. We have got another of these sessions where we're going to do a bit of gaming, a bit of cloud updates, a bit of things going on in the cloud world, the Azure world specifically. So we will be having a bit of fun today. We will be joined by Simon Lee once again, who will or should be joining us a little bit later, so we'll wait for him to join us, but otherwise we've got quite a small group, so just Simon and I for this one. So what I'm going to do in the meantime while I go ahead and wait for Simon here is I'll just go ahead and jump into some of the updates this week. So let's go ahead and switch our screen over here. So we are blog posts that have been posted here, so we'll just jump into those. One of those is about the next gen firewall capabilities with Azure Firewall Premium. So they talk about some of the key features that were announced as part of almost assigned categories based upon certain areas. So say, for example, you want a block based upon whether it's a social networking or a gambling site or a search engine or whatever it may be, rather than having to manage those individual full qualified domain names, you can go ahead and use these tags effectively, or categories, I should say. And URL filtering as well is another of the pieces that is added there. And then what it talks about is really the benefits of Firewall Premium compared to Firewall Standard, because I guess Azure Firewall Standard is what we've been used to for quite some time, but with the Premium SKU, it talks about, for example, some of the capabilities, like standard SKU, for example, the Premium SKU can seamlessly scale up to 30 gigabits per second and integrates with availability zones to support the SLA of 99.9%. The Premium SKU complies with PCI, or rather payment card industry, data security standard environment needs, so PCI DSS. So again, if you've got that particular compliance requirement, it's a good reason, obviously, to go along with the premium approach. Next up, then, it talks also about pricing, etc., and how you can go ahead and migrate to Firewall Standard to Premium if you so wish. So lots of great insights there in that blog post. It does say here the deployment charge is 40% higher than Firewall Standard, and the data processing charge remains the same as Azure Firewall Standard. So it sounds like there is a difference there, a delta, if you like. So then let's jump to the other blog post for the week, and then we will jump over into the gaming for a little bit, because I believe we have Simon with us. So the second blog post then that we've got is how cloud computing can improve 5G wireless networks. So you may have seen a series of updates around things like just some of the partnerships that Microsoft and Azure have been doing in the telecommunications space. And I believe I've got a session on telecommunications in the cloud and with the cloud coming up over the next couple of months. So that would be one to listen into if you are interested. But again, this is a really interesting post about how and why 5G and cloud relate, why it's so important. Talking about some of the kind of channel state information matrix pieces here. Some of the calculations and the theory behind why this is important, using some of these networking concepts. I'll be honest, I am not a networking person by my background. It is one of the areas actually that is probably my weakest areas, I would say, and always has been, even through university, listening and reading and learning about the theory. That was always one of my weaker areas. So that's just how it is, right? We have our strengths, we have our weaknesses, but it's still an area that absolutely fascinates me. And I think what I really see with 5G and the cloud is really about Internet of Things, about these edge devices and these capabilities, and seeing this overall picture really come together. So I think that is where I see 5G fitting into things. They go a lot more in depth about it in this blog post, but it should absolutely be on your radar. And though we are not thinking about coronavirus and the vaccines, of course, giving you 5G capabilities, that is obviously not what we're talking about here. We are talking about how 5G can enable some of these exciting and new scenarios over here. So with that, let me go ahead and switch back over and we'll start doing some gaming. So at this point, I unmute my mic, I undeafen my headphones so we can pick up Simon. And there we go. Hey Simon, how are we?
I'm very well. How are you?
I'm good. Do you need an invite?
I will. I will be with you in about 10 seconds. I'm just sending an email, and then we can game on.
All good. Let me just sort that out here. Scrolling through my friend list.
It might say I'm not online. I'm not sure yet.
There you go. Yeah, it does. There we go. I've just sent that for you, sir.
Cool.
So how are we?
Good. A lot cooler than we were, I think, last Sunday when we played this.
Yes. It was very, very warm last week. Very warm. I am thankful for the cool down. It was nice to have some heat, but it was just very muggy and a bit much.
Not like that.
No, exactly. Let's have it in increments, not all in one, thanks.
Yeah. Cool. Right, I am in the process of loading up.
Excellent. I'm going to put down a quest. I think I mentioned earlier it would be fun to do a ghost indeed.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you've done any of these before yet. The ghost
not yet.
Okay. So the idea then of these is pretty much as it sounds. You've got a load of ghost ships, and you need to go and take them on. That's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise an emissary for the Order of Souls before we do this. If I go the right way, that would help.
How nice to see you.
Where am I going? Here it is.
Right, it says I'm joining the crew.
Excellent.
Interesting, I've lost all audio.
Oh, I can still hear you.
Try now?
Yeah. Hello?
There we go.
Good.
My Surface phones decided to disconnect from the PC, although it said they were still connected.
That's always good, isn't it?
Yep.
There we go. I've just been looking at some of the different emissary tables to see if anyone is representing any of the other trading companies. And it doesn't look like. So either joined an empty server or no one is taking anyone on. So let's see. I'm just going to start us sailing off. And you know what? There. Cannonballs can go down here. Food crates can go there. Full lock. Let's do this. Oh, we didn't customize our ship. Gotta go back, we've got to do that. Ship customization. Let's see.
When the games begin.
Right, let's see. So we want to go with the shiny Capistan, I should say. Let's represent Order of Souls. Go with that one. Oh no, let's go Obsidian. And go for that. There we go. Right, we are looking like an awesome ship now. That's better. Welcome aboard.
Alright.
So, if you look... actually, we're kind of turning around a minute, but we are going to go in the other direction. We're going to do a full 180, and you'll see a load of ghost ships.
Nice.
So we're going to take on an armada of ghost ships. It's going to be fun.
In this little thing. Hey, game on, I'm definitely down for this.
So if you ever see it, sometimes in game, there's a big skull, flaming skull type thing that appears in the sky. So it's not. That's not the one we're doing right now. We're doing a quest that I put down, but it's a similar kind of thing. But the Flameheart one, which is that skull in the sky, is a lot harder. I think I've beaten it once or twice, but each time I've had people lurking, and then they swipe in last minute and take you out, which is annoying, but that's the game, I guess. So what have you been up to?
Not a lot. Yesterday I was out doing a car. I was marshalling for a car trial thing over by Bolton Abbey.
Nice.
Which is quite nice because it wasn't like 30 degrees. Oh, I can see a ghost ship. And then today, had a bit of a chilled out Sunday, done some shopping, and started playing around with some Azure bits and pieces as part of AZ900.
Nice. I was going to ask you how that's going.
It's going well. I've watched 2 or 3 modules on Plural site, and then decided, having watched all those modules, I'd then go to play with AZ CLI. So I got that installed and set up, and was just playing around with creating resource groups.
Gotcha.
The demon soul things are coming after us.
Yeah, so either side of us we've got ships. We should probably fire at them now. So let's grab some cannonballs.
Yeah,
I'm on the right. It should just take 3 shots. Oh, we took it out. It's okay.
Taking water on.
That's alright, we just took those ones out, so that's all good. Any plural site courses that you recommend you've been doing so far?
The one that I've been doing, and you'll have to forgive me because I can't remember the guy's name, but I'll find the link in a minute and drop it in the chat.
Cool.
It's just like the AZ900, it's like 10 hours.
Okay. Just like a learning path type thing.
Yeah. And then I've signed up to Wiz Labs, and they've got like a free 50-question AZ900 exam, which I sat and did the other day, like with no like sort of pre-prep for it. To just go, let's see how much I know from what I already know from speaking about people in the community. And I got 40. What was it? I got 41 out of 55.
That's not bad at all, is it?
Which I didn't think was too bad. Just to say that it clearly shows I know some stuff.
I think that's it sometimes, isn't it? You can take in a lot of stuff, like just by osmosis almost.
Yeah, definitely. From like chatting to people and going to user groups. You don't necessarily realise until you sit and look at some of the questions, you're like, oh yeah, I know this. And then like some of it was pretty much common sense. We're still taking water on.
Let's see, there might be a hole up on this, the top bit up here. At the back over here. 2, 3. And it might be ships coming. Let's see. So I've repaired those. And oh, they're going around the outside. Okay. Let's drop. Oh. Might have just. Oh no, we did not avoid that. I was about to say, I think we may have just avoided. That would have been my famous last words. The most annoying thing with this at the minute is a storm is now with us. Let's pick up a barrel. Oh, we got fire. If you've got a bucket, that would be good.
I have got a bucket. I'm just trying to find this AZ900 course. So it's raining though, so shouldn't that put some of the water out as well?
Sorry? Oh, some of the fire out. Yeah, it should do actually.
I've got a foresight course in the chat for anyone who's interested.
Ah, cool. It's on the YouTube chat.
Oh my gosh, we're yeah.
Sweet.
We're taking on a lot of water.
Do I need to come down?
Yeah.
Okay, on my way.
It's almost like when we had that crying chest.
Right. Remember, you'll need to. Exactly, that's
Plugging
it.
holes.
That's it. I'm going to keep us attacking.
Yeah.
Okay, where are we going now? Let's raise that. So we get a nice tighter turn. Okay. Right, we've got a lot of ships over in this bit.
We're still taking on water.
Is there any on the back bit at all?
Oh.
No.
Oh, found it. Plugging. Alright, there we go. Plugged.
Oh, got fire. But that's okay, I guess.
Oh, where have we just hit?
I think we had a cannon attack us. One of their things. Right, let's just take this stuff on. Okay, storage crate. Okay, right. I'm gonna try and take us out of this storm. Okay. There'll be one coming up on the left in the front now. Focus on that one, I think.
Yeah.
Gonna give you an angle. There you go, you should have one. And one more. That's it. There we go. Right, let's keep going round. There'll be one coming up in the front here. Oh dear. Oh, there's one tight on our heels as well. You know what I'm gonna do?
What?
I'm gonna raise sail. Let's get ready to
Yeah.
take this one out directly behind us now. It'll be with us in like seconds. That's it. Nice. And one more. There you go, good one. Right,
Alright.
I'm gonna take us back towards where those ghosts are flying above the water, because that's some loot that we need to get.
Cool.
It's normally storage crates, which is helpful in situations like this. Come on. Come on, ship, you can go the right way. Ah, missed it. Damn. Oh no, this ain't good. This ain't good. This ain't good. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. The good news is we're out of the storm.
I know. I've seen what the bad news is.
Ah.
I'm
Right,
catching for dear life.
I'm gonna come down. I'm gonna help. Drop sails, let's go.
Right, where it is. I found where the other hole is.
Nice. Come on, come on, where are you? There you are. Ah, again, missed it. Oh, we are in firing range. Oh no, missed, damn. Oh dear, right, I'm just gonna give up on that one for now, I think.
Yeah. Right, we should now be able to get all the water out the bottom of the boat.
For a moment.
For all of 30 seconds.
Yeah,
Oh.
like I said. Ah, but there is. Ah, my word, they are pelting us here.
We are slowly running up the wood. We've got 25 planks left.
It's fine, we've got a wooden crate up here and storage crate in the water. And a storage crate on deck as well.
Of wood?
It just has loads of stuff in it.
Okay, fine. Right, I think I'm not going to say it.
No, don't say anything. Don't say anything. Right. I'm gonna just turn us a minute. And raise sails. Right, let's fire on them. Oh no.
We've still got a leak somewhere.
I'm coming down. We are good for a moment. It's not
I just can't
here.
work out where it is. There's just water.
Here,
constantly
in this
dripping
left
in.
backhand corner.
Ah. Well done. Well done.
I have, I must have like surround sound or something on my headphones. Uh-oh, this is the big guy. Right. Let's not go anywhere a sec. Let's take this. Okay, good. Got another storage crate. Okay. Any more? No. Okay, right. We want to get in front of these boats, so I'm just gonna do us a tight turn. Because it's better to try and cut across them than run alongside.
Whoa.
Right, here we go. Let's do this. Focus on the capital ship in the middle. Because as soon as you take that one out,
cannonballs.
it's fine, I can take over.
We're gonna ram him.
Okay, we need to work on repairs because we are going to be taking a ton of water right now. We both need to be on repairs because this ain't going to be good.
Right, I'm coming. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
I
right.
think this is it.
Ah. Okay. We need to get out of this right now. Right, as long as we can survive for a few seconds, we are okay. Right. Cool, you got that one.
Right, everything's plugged.
Okay. Just repairing the wheel. I'm just gonna turn us so we can get this storage crate again. Oh, really? You've got an angle on us? Ah, not now. Okay, right. Okay, we got it. Good. Okay, so this has wood, this has wood. They all have wood.
Right.
I'm gonna drop the sails so we don't take a beating right here.
Yeah.
Even though we're going to.
Ooh, I freaking... We're on fire.
We are.
I'm
Yeah.
on fire. Ooh.
Okay, right. Now, I think we're in an okay position now.
Yeah?
Yeah. We just need... Are we fully plugged?
Yes.
Looks like it. Good. Cool. Right, we can focus on just attacking. So let's get some cannonballs and stock up on foods and everything before we go for our next attack. Got some cannonballs, got some food, gonna get some wood as well. Okay. Okay, right. Give us a tighter turn. Right. So what we're going to do is just try and cut across the back of them, basically,
Yeah.
without getting into their range. Keep focusing on the middle ship. The middle ship is the kind of capital control ship, I guess. And when that goes, the others despawn. So
Ah, I see.
we can get those. We can do anything. Okay, I'm just gonna work on harpooning this a sec. Go, nice. Give you a better angle. Maybe don't focus on this one for now. Maybe let's go for the ones coming up towards us.
Yeah.
Oh, and be careful as well, because... so, focus on these ones coming up.
Yeah. Right, cannonball.
Oh, let me take over. Get ready. Just go drop sail. Drop sail, drop sail. Ah, they got me bad there. Right. We are...
Going for a swim.
Yeah. I'm going to raise sail, because that didn't quite work out as planned. We're now sailing alongside all of them, which is not ideal. Oh wow, this is not good.
Our boat's gonna sink.
No, it's not. We both need to be bailing at the minute to control.
Yeah, I'm gonna plug all the holes.
Yeah, it's not. Don't plug first until you got lower water levels. That's it. And now start plugging. It's savable. It is savable. I've seen it done. I mean, I've done it several times. Okay, this is a bit risky. Okay.
Right, everything's plugged.
There's one more over here. I'll get that. Okay. There we go. Cool. Right, let's restock up quickly before we go for the next round. Right, I think we got some coming up on our right. Right, let's stock up on cannonballs. We have got other cannonballs over in these boxes.
Yep.
Drop sail. Go. Okay, that was not too bad. Oh, maybe it was. Need a hand? Go. Oh, that didn't sound good. I'm not on helm at the moment.
No, it's fine.
Just gonna
Right.
steer us out of trouble.
Everywhere is plugged.
Okay, sweet. Right, we got another... Oh no, we... Okay, let's... Raise sail. Sec. Let's angle ourselves. Right, get ready on left-hand cannon.
Yeah.
Left-hand cannon coming up.
Number loaded.
Okay. Focus on the middle one. I'm just going to drop anchor a sec and immediately raise it. Do you have an angle on middle?
Yeah. Firing.
Giving you an angle, keeping your angle going. Okay, we got fire. Working on it. I put you out. Oh, no, missed. That's not a good idea. That's probably the worst decision in this scenario.
Right, let's go find the mermaid. Quick. Quick. Where's the mermaid?
Yeah, we'll have a leak in those scenarios. So we can always just firewater
Yeah.
over ourselves.
Yeah, no, you're right. It seemed like a good idea at the time, but now, like you say, in
I've-
retrospect.
I've learned from past bad mistakes with scenarios like
Yeah,
that.
I see. It explains a lot. Cool. Right. Boom. Have that.
Right. Ah, crap. Turning the wrong way. That's it. Keep going. Good. Oh man. That's not sounding healthy below deck.
There's lots of fire.
Okay, let me get some wood. Okay, we need to use the wood crates on the top. Let's roll up downstairs. Let's see, one couple more here. Yeah, so imagine this, but harder. That's Flameheart.
No. Fair enough. And then have you managed to do it like when you've just played on your own? Have you done it with like other people or?
Flameheart I've done in groups. I think I have done one of these on my own before.
Fair play.
Right, we have some coming up shortly. Do you want to take the helm and I can attack?
Yeah, I can try.
So we basically want to run, against them, basically, like we are.
Yeah.
I'll get us away from. Oh, nope, that's fine. They'll all despawn.
Woo. Perfect.
Okay, now let's not run into the island. Let's just check, is there any loot behind us? Yep, let's go get a loot, do a 180. Take us to those flying ghosts. Please, driver.
That can be arranged.
Okay. Let's see if I can. If you turn ever so that's it, actually keep that direction. So turn ever so slightly to your right. Let's drop anchor a sec, we got time. Alright, let's get everything out of the water. Just jump in, probably gonna be quicker. Just about got enough time before we need to raise and go. Yep. Ah. I was just thinking, I was like, are we missing a handle.
I've
Okay.
just done it, but yeah, we were.
Right. We have them coming up on our right. Just giving an angle. Wait until they're a bit closer, I would say. Other side, left-hand side, left-hand side. You can reload straight away as soon as you fired. Reload. That's it, exactly. There we go.
Nice.
There you go, nice one. And let's get the loot from this one. So we'll turn, turning. We've just got some time. Okay. Just gonna drop anchor. Just got enough time. Let's jump in. Easier to jump in. We're not gonna get that angle, I think.
Nope, just past it as well.
This isn't ideal.
Come in.
Yeah. When you're on, start raising anchor.
Sure.
And that should be
Raising anchor.
nice. I should get on. Nice, I'm on. Okay. Now, lowering sails. If you want to get on cannons, I'll give you an angle. And this is pretty much how this one works, is it's all about really intense communication in fighting these guys. Oh, sorry, I'm not giving you an angle at all here.
Nope.
There you go, you should be getting one now.
Yep.
Turning for you, turning for you.
Pull out cannonballs.
It's okay. There we go, nice.
Nice. Oh, God.
I was lucky. Right, we've got the loot right in front of us. Let's just drop sail slightly. Just a smidge. Okay.
It's a load of skulls.
Yep. That's exactly what we want for the Order of Skulls. Order of Souls, I should say, not skulls. Let's just double check we have no leaks as well. I'll go and do that.
Could you imagine?
Ah, don't. It's happened. It's happened. Again, learnt firsthand.
Yeah.
I think that's everything. Cool. So that is your first ghost fleet.
Hey.
Oh, let's see.
Very nice.
And now we've got some, not mermaids, what are they called? Sirens coming. Where are we going? Ancient Spire. We want to go northeast. Drop all this off. Okay, raising anchor.
Cool.
Okay, go.
So we going to go sell up, or is there some more to do before?
Yeah, I think let's sell this stuff up for now. We can always do more of them, you know.
Yeah, oh, there. Definitely.
But just thinking after all that, let's sell. And once we've sold, I can go and do another segment then.
Yeah? Yeah, that's fine.
Let's see, where are we going? Oh good, a Megalodon. Just what we want.
Ah,
Where are you?
behind
There you
us.
Yeah, don't
Right.
attack it and it should be fine. It's not one of the rare ones. Common one. By the looks of it. Uh-oh. I have got...
No.
Oh, that was okay. We just missed it. But I have got an epic screenshot that I can use. Right, just raising sail before we crash. Right, there we go. Okay, I think let's park up on the beach for this one. We were lucky there. We were lucky we got into the water of the island. I think
Yeah.
that's what stopped it.
Saved us.
Yeah. Alright, let's drop anchor.
Dropping anchor.
Lovely. Right, so all the crates we want to keep. It's just the skulls we want to take.
Yep.
Oh, and I'm level 52 Order of Souls.
Nice. I'm 20, just gone 27.
Nice. Let's see. So I spent tons of my gold earlier,
Yeah.
just on weapon customizations and stuff. Because that's what you use gold for, I guess, in the game.
Yeah.
But I hadn't really bought much, so I decided, why not use it? Let's see. Here we go.
One more. Oh,
Cool.
Ship is absolutely butchered.
I know, it was really funny looking at it.
Yeah. But it's our ship, so it looks stylized now.
Exactly. I mean,
There's many stories to tell.
looking at it from the inside is quite hilarious.
Yeah.
Like, plank, 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 plank. Plank, 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 plank. Right, I am gonna go dash over and do some extra updates. So if you want to set sail and maybe start a new quest or something, I can
sure.
join back.
Have you got any preference of what you want to do before you go, or if I
No. Whatever you like. I guess if we're not doing something Order of Souls related, let's maybe take down the emissary. So if you want to do something else, but we both need to vote that down. So I guess we can decide before I jump away.
A warm welcome,
Let's see.
friend.
I can buy another armada if you want.
Yeah.
There we go. Right, bought that. There we go.
Great.
We just need to vote on it on the table.
I'm coming.
Yep. Right, I have put my vote down. I will
Cool.
raise the anchor as well.
I've voted.
Go. It'll be obvious where the armada is. You'll see them spawn in on a nearby island, I believe. He says. He says.
What did it show up on like the map? Is it like a?
No, it doesn't show up on the map at all. You should be able to see it from here, like the ghost ships. I think if we leave the island, we should just see. So I'm going to take us this way.
Yeah, nothing I can see at the moment.
Last seen haunting Crooks Hollow. Crooks Hollow. We're going in the right direction. It's northwest. Cool. So, what might be good before we do go, maybe if I drop anchor a sec, is if we put some of the supplies back into the right barrels rather than the boxes. Just do a bit of organisation before we jump in, I think.
Yeah, sounds like a plan.
Because I did a ton of that before you joined. Made sure it was all nice and ready. There we go. Right, I will jump away for a moment.
While you're doing your bit, I'll prep the ship.
Cool, sounds good. Right, I will be back. Okie doke, let us go ahead and switch across to the right screen. Okay, folks, so let's now continue with a little bit of Azure updates. So we did the Azure blog a few moments ago. Let's go ahead now look at some of the latest Azure updates this week. So first off then, a private preview, new telemetry for SAP Application NetWeaver in Azure Portal. Public preview alerts, pacemaker cluster, Red Hat Enterprise Linux OS, and data size for SAP HANA. Shared disks on Azure Disk Storage are now generally available on all premium SSD and standard SSD sizes. That is really interesting. Shared disks can now be leveraged on smaller premium SSDs from 4 gigabytes to 128 gigabytes and all standard SSDs from 4 gigabytes to 32 terabytes. This expands shared disk support to UltraDisk, premium SSD, and standard SSD, enabling you to optimize for different price and performance options based on your workload needs. That's a big update. Public preview, scan and view lineage of data stored in Mart, Google BigQuery, and Looker using Azure Purview. Announcing the Azure Firewall Premium general availability. Public preview of IoT Edge Metrics Collector Module 1.0.1 release. Azure VMware solution is now generally available in the East Canada region, or Canada East. The public preview of Azure Database for Postgres, Flexible Server, now supported in new regions. Public preview, Azure App Service Migration Assistant PowerShell-based experience. Azure Database for MySQL Flexible Server Auto Grow Storage in public preview. General availability of built-in Azure policy support for Network Watcher traffic analytics. General availability of Python functions now support custom telemetry in Application Insights. General availability, public IP information and interzone traffic among many new insights in traffic analytics. That is a big update, actually. There were some great insights in there. General availability, better integration between Azure Monitor and Grafana. General availability, Azure Monitor agents and data collection rules now support direct proxies and log analytics gateway. General availability, new West US 3 region added to Azure HD Insight. General availability, Azure Sphere version 21.07. And this one was one of my favorites coming up this week. Azure Active Directory support for Azure Relay now in public preview. I believe Azure Relay was one of, if not the oldest service in Azure, and the fact it's now got Azure AD support in public preview I think is just awesome. So being able to authenticate and authorize using Azure AD just like you would with some of the other Azure services that have come out recently, just an awesome update there. So let's jump over to the Azure DevOps blog for a moment. So 2 updates this week. One is a session about Azure Logic Apps with Chloe Condon. So if you are not familiar with Logic Apps, you want to get a bit of a feeler for it and start using Azure Logic Apps, firstly, take a look at some of the blog posts I've written on Cloud with Chris. Definitely take a look at those. But then also, there is this Azure Fun Bites episode with Jay, of course, and with Chloe, and they both talk about how you can go ahead and use Logic Apps in some of your own workflows, for example. So great video there. Check that one out. Then in terms of the DevOps community updates this week, first off, how Firstport execute a database as code strategy using dbup, Terraform, and GitHub Actions. I absolutely need to go and look at that because there is a lot of, I don't know, what am I trying to say here? I hear a lot of people asking about database or data ops effectively. So that is one I think that is definitely worth looking into. The plain and simple way to create SPN and service connections for Azure DevOps pipelines. How to boards, columns, and swim lanes mapping on Azure DevOps and Azure DevOps token scoping. And finally then, in terms of GitHub this week, 2 blog posts to update on. Number 1 is GitHub brings supply chain security features to the Go community. So they talk about here the global Go community embraced GitHub from the beginning, both as a place to collaborate on code and place to publish packages, leading to Go becoming one of the top 15 programming languages on GitHub today. We're excited to announce that GitHub supply chain security features are now available for Go modules, which will help the Go community discover, report, and prevent security vulnerabilities. So think about things like the advisory database that is there for several languages. So when you get your vulnerability alerts, for example, your CVEs, those are now available in Go. Or rather for Go, I should say, the dependency graph functionalities, for example, and also dependabot alerts, both the, I believe, the incrementing of the normal kind of packages as well as the security updates then as well. So good set of updates bringing those DevSecOps aspects to Go if you're using that in GitHub. So definitely take a look at that. And then minimum viable governance. That is a lovely acronym, MVG. I would love to dive into that a bit more. Lightweight community structure to grow your FOSS projects. So your open source projects there. So your free and open source projects. Should work as is for all projects, those among a few friends or a few mega corporate rivals. It is open source, so you can modify it to fit your needs. What they talk about is agreements over 5 different areas. So decision making, trademark policy, antitrust policy, code of conduct, and project criteria. So helping you accelerate getting going with some of those free open source projects there. So again, if you're embarking on your own free open source project, go and take a look, because that is certainly going to help you out. And of course, there was a great session that came up on Cloud with Chris over the last week, which you should also check out, all about open source projects. And we will cover those in the next segment. So we'll go ahead and cover the Cloud with Chris updates in a moment. Now, until then, let's jump back in game and we'll carry on with Simon and we'll jump back in game. How are we doing?
We've got like 120 cannonballs, I think.
Nice. Should
And
be
I'm
okay.
doing the wood. Yeah, it won't last. I'm just filling up the wood chest now.
Cool. I will bring these down.
We just need to do food chest now. That's all.
Cool. We still have a ton of wood, actually.
Oh yeah, because we've got like the wood crate, haven't we?
Yeah.
So there's 45 in there.
Well, lots then.
Yeah, there's 32 in here.
I think we'll be okay.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try and empty each of these, so then we go.
Yeah, do it.
And then I'll just put them somewhere where we won't get confused. I'm going to put them all on the anchor. On the capstan. Oops, there we go. Okay, come over here as well.
It does annoy me that you can only have like 5 planks, but then you can stack them into like loads.
Yeah, I guess the logic is, in real life, would you carry 100 planks? Probably not, but you could store them all.
Yes.
Maybe not in a barrel like that.
It's Minecraft logic. I can carry as much as I need.
It is, isn't it? Okay, this one's done as well. Okay, so we've got almost 200 planks.
Nice.
We've got nearly 100 bananas. A few pomegranates, a few coconuts, pineapple. So what I'm doing is putting the good food in the top one and the food in the bottom one.
Yeah.
Because
I'm
there's
guessing it's the good food that gives you like pretty
more
much
health. Yeah, exactly.
full health.
Or like more kind of thing. Whereas bananas are just, I think, a third or a quarter maybe. Okay, I think we're good to go again.
Cool.
Oh, we need to repair the mast. Which requires to repair the mast. Let me do that before we go.
I like the anchor design.
So it's actually a good trick, because if you ever get any boarders trying to come and anchor you to stop you, they can't get to the anchor.
Yeah, no, that's a good point.
Right, although now we need to get to the anchor because we are anchored.
Yeah.
Go.
Knew that was going to happen.
So what I would suggest is let's do this one, and then maybe call it as quite a short one today.
Yeah, sure.
Because then what I can do is the final segment then, and we wrap it up.
Yeah, that's fine by me.
2 ghost fleets. It'll probably take a while anyway, right? We saw how long the other one took. Let's just see where we're going. Crooks Hollow, west. And we can get going.
Full of wood. And got my first 10 cannonballs.
Good. You know it's your first 10.
Yeah.
It's going to be many, many more. Oh, this is not good. Oh, there's stuff in the water. What is that? Uh-oh.
I've got a quest.
No need to drop anchor. We're good.
I can't even drop anchor. It's just saying, do I want to pick up a load of chests?
See? Foolproof. It works. Oh, it's all over here. That was close to the rock for some reason. Right, let's see then. This bounty skull. There's a gem in the water here as well.
Gem.
That's probably all we wanna. Ah, we got some food as well. Barrel. We got enough food.
Yeah.
And the fleet is right ahead.
Oh yeah, I can see him.
Right, I think there's going to be one on our left.
Right, I shall take position.
Excellent.
Oh,
Remember, you can fire straight after. That's
I
it.
know. I kept taking off on the reload, thinking it reloaded faster.
Right, there's one coming up on the right, but I'll probably do a 180. So he'll be on our left.
Cannonball.
Coming up on our left. Keeping your angle. Turning, turning, turning. Sorry, that was terrible. Nice. Well saved. There was some loot, just turning us to go get it. Oh dear.
Can't see any loot.
Yeah, there's the ghosts there.
Ah, I can see them. Yeah.
Oh, on the right, on the right, on the right.
Seen.
Oh, damn. Let's check below. I'm on it. Nice, good job. Okay.
On the left flank.
Yes, good spot. You know what? I'm just going to rotate us to 180 again. So he'll be on our right. Already turning, so.
Firing. Oh, there's one
On the right, on the right, on the right, on the
right.
right, on the right, on the right. Nice. Oh, hello, where are you? On the right again. Didn't see you. Try left, try left. I'll repair. Everything is totally fine. No problems here whatsoever. There may be some sarcasm.
Heavy sarcasm. There's another one gone.
Sweet. Okay. We're all fine down here again. Oh, on the right. Just turning to give you an angle again. Nice, there we go. Fire somewhere. Down here. Oh dear, we don't have any water in our water barrel. Got a fire. It's all good. I will get you. I got you. Didn't hit you, apparently. Oh no, I did. Sweet. Right. On the left, we can harpoon. Do you want me to grab it? Nice, good job. Okay. They are on the left. I'm trying to turn us as quickly as we can.
Boom.
Cool.
Block my angle.
Should have it now.
One.
Cool. Dropping sails. Let's get moving again. Oh, spawning. Let's see. Where are they all? Okay, so we've got some in the center. Let's take the one which is coming straight onto us on the right. So it'll be on our left by the time I've turned. The inside one here. Oh geez, that is not a good angle. That is not good. Nice. On the right, on the right, on the right. Gun angle. That's it. Nice. Okay. More have spawned in. Oh. They've all despawned because now we've got the big bosses. So, stock up. We got the baddies.
I am stocked.
Nice. Right, raising sail. Turning us. Oh god, no. Just sail straight through. Go on the right, go on the right. Capital ship. I'm gonna have to sail us through. This is not gonna be good. But they just gonna repair preemptively. We'll try and get water for you. Right. There's one leak which I will go and fix. Oh look at who's straight ahead in the sky. Flameheart. Right. Patching, we got 3 holes. Oh, we got more than 3. I am not on helm, so I got...
No, it's fine, don't worry.
Okay. Oh. Oh, I just repaired that. Oh. There it is. Okay, right, where are we? Okay, we got them coming up on our right. A bit far, I think. Oh, you're not far off, though. That's it, there we go. Simon?
Yeah. We're firing. Oh, I'm out of cannonballs. Worst time you can run out.
Yep, I would agree. Okay, we are getting absolutely hammered on. We need to both go down and sort this. Because this ain't good. Repairs are the main priority. Some fireworks going on apparently in the water. Let's see. There we go. Good. Okay. We got some coming up on the left. cannon. Oh, didn't want chain shots, but okay. Grab some food. Okay. Okay, where are they?
Left flank.
Yep, getting you an angle. That's it. Keep peppering it.
We need to turn to the right.
Yeah, turning.
Got.
Don't worry about that other cannonball. It's just an NPC. Aim lower.
Reload! How am I out of cannonballs again? I'm putting all that through him.
Right. Repairs. Repairs, repairs.
That was like... How many should like the boss one take?
Don't remember, to be honest.
Because I'm sure I put like at least 4 or 5 into him.
Yeah, I think it's going to be more.
Got.
Right, not to alarm you, but we do have more coming. Just gonna turning on the right, so okay, should have a shot. Okay, if you want to take take helm.
Yeah.
Get us out of the firing range. So we want to get away. Oh man, that was terrible on my part. Okay, right, let's take a look downstairs. Need to repair. Oh, I think we got some coming. Oh no, we're okay actually. Right.
NPCs on the island firing at us.
Oh no.
Cannonballs are getting close.
Right. Oh, they hit us. I got it. You focus on cannons. I'll deal with this. That's it. Keep it going. Just keep firing.
Cannonballs.
Cool. I'm in. No, I'm not. I haven't got any cannons.
Drifting the wrong way.
Ah, crap. I'm just going to drop sails and go. Focus on reload. Focus on
I'm dead.
repairs. Oh, jeez. This is not good.
Dead.
This is not good. Right. Oh crap,
nice.
oh crap, oh crap. Need help. Bail, 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 bail. Just focus on bailing and nothing else. Otherwise we're not getting out of this. And this is where the game gets fun. No, 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 don't repair. We literally need to just bail a sec. The water level is way too high. And we got them coming up on us again. I'm just gonna take us away from them.
Yeah, that's fine.
We're gonna get attacked again, but we'll just need to keep bailing for a moment.
Oh,
It's fine. Right, now just... Bail, bail, bail. Don't fix those ones first, Simon. They're not where the problem is with the water right now. We need to try and get the lower deck. We're not getting out of this. Oh, I'm dead. You carry on bailing. I'm respawning. Literally,
die.
just focus on bailing as long as you can.
Nope, that's it. Ship's under.
Damn.
Yeah, it's going down.
Oh well. I guess that concludes our...
Yeah.
I mean, we can go back again. We can go back again. But we've lost our emissary now.
Yeah.
So now you see why Flameheart is, in my opinion,
Yeah.
pretty tough.
Yeah, definitely.
So, did you want to go back, or...?
Can do.
Yeah? Cool. Crook's Hollow. Why is there a mermaid? I mean, there's an enemy here. Oh no, it's gone now. Okay. Let's... Oh, it's just southeast, okay. Right. Let's raise the anchor. Nice. Okay. Let's see then.
They're right in front of us.
Yep. That is it. This is going to be tough with low supplies.
Because we've yeah. No cannonballs. Well, we've got
20.
20.
Yeah, it's not a lot. We need to try and... In fact, we won't even have any of the storage crates because we put it all away. I wonder if this is just futile.
I agree.
Let's just see, is there anything in the water at all for us to pick up?
There were some crates when after it sunk, so.
Yeah, but
I
they
think
were all the empty ones.
I was about to say that, yeah, because we put everything into the ship.
We can give it a go. Obviously, we might be able to sink something
One of them.
and get a crate. And then call it, I guess, given we're here already.
Yeah.
Let me just...
Oh no. I went for a swim.
That's less than ideal.
Yeah.
The music in this game is just so good.
Yeah, I found the moment. I'm back. Just in time. I am left flank.
Yep. They're already turning, which is good. I'm gonna raise. We're probably gonna get attacked by this one on our right. No, sure, I guess. Oh, cool, they did spawn a box, some crate. But this ain't looking good. Because we got these guys coming up. Oh no, 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 no. Trying not to collide. That's fine. Right. Taking us back to get the crates. Do you want to just pop downstairs, take a look? Oh no.
I just got killed.
Yeah, we're going down. Let me revive you. Right, focus on bailing and nothing else for a sec. I'll repair. Okay.
There's one at the top of the stairs once you've plugged all down there.
Okay. Do you want to steer us towards the ghosts? I think I should be good with all this down here. Left, 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 left. I meant the ghosts in the... I didn't say that very well at all. Okay, let's take these guys on. Oh no, this ain't good. This is not good. I'm gonna just sail past them.
Yeah, sure, fine.
Oh, there we go. Ah, and there's some ghosts which are just in the water. That worked out well. Doing a tight turn so we can get to the loot ghosts. Right, if you want to get on harpoon. Oh, come on, game. Don't just give us skulls right now. This is not ideal. Nice. This is
31 wood,
bumpy.
30 cannonballs,
Okay, sweet.
and some food.
Right, I'm gonna take us to the other loot crates. Gonna try and get us over there speedily before the ships come back.
I think we're okay at the moment.
Famous last words. Right, you should get an angle on that crate very shortly, on the left harpoon. Nice. Oh, there's more loot on the right as well. Okay, but anyway, let's focus on these guys coming up. I'm gonna try and get.
Sure, I've got some cannonballs on me. Yeah, cool.
Let me make sure I've got some as well. Yeah, I have. Okay.
Cool.
Okay, I'm gonna give you the broad side. There we go. Should have a straight shot.
Yep.
You're not loaded.
Cannonball.
Yeah, go, go, go.
Yeah.
That's it.
Go. When you feel left.
Yep, already doing it. You should have an angle.
Yeah, go.
Go, 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 go. Turning, turning, turning. Should continue to have an angle. There we go, nice.
Gone.
Right. Loot's right in front of us. Oh, that was it. There we go. Right, let's go grab the stuff. You got an angle on the harpoon as well, that's good. Didn't think it was there. Oh. That was an adventure, wasn't it?
Yeah. Definitely.
I'm just going to go to the crow's nest a sec. I'm going to take a look, see what if there's anything else in the water. Which does not appear as though there is. So I reckon we can head back to the outpost again.
Yeah.
Which is pretty much just go south of the island and then east.
Oh, hang on. There's a lot of. Oh, I suppose there's no point. We don't need all these
No,
barrels.
we don't need
floating by, do we?
exactly. No.
Where are we going? East.
What? Well, not into the island. Stop, stop, stop. If you go past the island first and then east, then we'll be good. We don't want to crash into the island, mate. There we go. Oh, hold on. We got stuff. Oh! Oh no, this was our old stuff. Never mind. Don't need that. I got excited. I was like, there's more loot.
We did have some. Did we have some skulls?
Not yet, I don't think. I think that was the old,
No, fair enough.
the old session. Let's see, where are we going? We want to go exactly the direction. Oh, you are turning at the moment. You want to go kind of
I'm going
east,
at the
southeast. You want to go east, southeast. Yep, that is the course you want to be heading. So I guess we want to avoid those rocks, but it should be behind those rocks then.
Cool.
if you turn a smidge to the left, we can catch the wind. To be fair, you can just turn around the outside of these rocks. There we go, that's it. That'll keep you angled with the sails.
Very nice.
Right, now if we go southeast, yes, we see it, Ancient Spire. Right, if I leave you to go and steer us in to the island and park up, I will go and finish the last little segment here.
It's a lot of responsibility I've got.
No pressure. See you in a sec. Okay, folks, now on to the final segment here of our updates, and that is, of course, Cloud with Chris. So, what has gone on Cloud with Chris over the last week? Well, you can see my website is slightly out of date. I'll be honest, I still haven't had a chance to go back and edit last week's vlog because I didn't actually record that when I had to wait for the live video to come up, and then by the time the week went away with me, so I need to go back and just catch up on that one. But today you're of course listening to vlog number 30, so that's what, 7 and a bit months, I guess that makes sense given we're almost in August, of weekly vlogs, and I started this in January. So it's going well. You know, if you're enjoying these, please let me know, because I'm always trying to figure out what content to keep, what content to focus on. Last week, what happened? So on Tuesday, I released a cloud drop. In fact, suggested by Simon, who has been in the gaming session right here, as well as Chris Wright, who want to see a bit more DevOps focused content for folks who aren't app developers by background. So, you know, very much enjoyed doing that one. If you want to see more of that, please let me know. Also on Tuesday, then did a session to my own meetup group, Azure Thames Valley, which was great fun to do, talking about how GitHub Actions can help in building and deploying a static website and more. So that is now on YouTube. That is on my Cloud with Chris channel. So if you want to go and see that, please do go ahead and take a look at that. Didn't write any blog posts last week. It's the first time in a while, just because it was a very busy week, to be honest. But then on Friday, released an episode with JJ Asgar, talking all about lessons learned from cultivating open source projects and communities. Brilliant session, honestly. If you are thinking about creating a technical community, if you are thinking about going ahead and starting an open source project, you want to listen to JJ and some of his lessons learned, because that is going to be a great one there. So we have had a bit of a shuffling of episodes and things going on. Again, with the heat, I'll be honest, I dropped the ball on a few things last week. So we're rearranging those, but it's actually worked out quite well just in terms of the content that we've got coming up, etc. as well. So we have on Thursday been interviewing me on my Cloud with Chris integration platform, so I'll talk a bit about some of the work I've been doing there. Not yet complete, but good enough to talk about there. And then what we'll be talking about then on Friday is Tales from the Real World, helping veterans transition into IT and learn Azure, and that is with Dr. Keith McNally. I need to update the website. We won't be doing the decentralized reference architecture for cloud native applications. That one will be coming up in the future, so I just need to update the website and make sure that is reflected. And then we'll be back to the normal schedule of a weekly vlog 1 week, and then a gaming and a weekly vlog another week. We've had a few back to back here, just with a few things being rearranged. Should have some more blogs coming out this week. I'm still yet to decide what they will be, so if there's anything that is of interest, please let me know. But I did get some tweets, which I was very grateful for, of folks who've been listening and rather reading, I suppose, the content I've written on protecting web APIs. So that one, or web app, I should say, with easy auth and whatnot. So if you want to see more of that type of content, or if you want to see the CNCF or the API management, there are a few different areas where I can focus the content. So please do let me know, because I would love to continue those series. I just need to know what is important for you, what are you all working on, and I can focus in that direction. You'll notice on the website it does say that we've got a .NET Not session happening tomorrow. It's not going to be happening tomorrow again. That's something I've been in communication with the folks on that one. We're actually going to target that for probably August the 23rd, I believe. So again, I'll be updating the website to go and reflect that as well. So that is it in terms of Cloud with Chris. So we'll go ahead and wrap up the session for this weekly vlog. Stay tuned. So we are still afloat. That is a good sign.
There was a little leak because I just sent it full send into the beach.
I mean, it's parked.
Exactly.
There we go. Right, let's help you sell this stuff.
I think that's it. Ooh, Roaring Goblet Soul. Very nice.
Yeah, that was one I found in a chest. That's the last skull. There's nothing else. And that is us.
That will do.
I'm going to say, let's take these crates
Yeah.
and put them on the docks so that when someone spawns on this island, they have a nice surprise.
Yeah. I can roll with that.
I'm going to put all of my stuff in there. There we go. Apart from, we need to go out in a blaze of glory. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. We will be going out in a blaze of glory. Literally. That went well.
I went out in a blaze of glory. Where are you?
I am going to put the ammo chest over there as well, so they have a nice surprise. But the fire has all gone out because it's raining. So our blaze of glory turns into a little ember. Oh dear. Simon, thank you for joining. It has been good fun.
Thank you, Chris.
We'll find something different to do, I guess, as a quest, or maybe even a different game. We can figure out what we all want to do as a group in a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Great. I'll catch you soon.
Awesome. Thanks, Simon. Take it easy.
See you later.
Right, so there we go, folks. What we're going to do is we're going to wrap up here. So let's jump back to our normal set. There we go. So we have done the Azure blogs, the Azure updates, the GitHub updates, the Azure DevOps updates, and of course what's going on with Cloud with Chris as well. So this has been weekly vlog number 30. If you have enjoyed this vlog, you know what to do, folks. Please hit like on YouTube. Please hit subscribe on YouTube. Please hit the notification bell on YouTube, because they will help me understand that you like the content. It will help you understand what is coming out and get notified as soon as there's new stuff available for you to go and watch and listen to. And if you do want to just listen, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Spotify, and cloudwithchris.com are the places you can go and listen to your content. And on cloudwithchris.com, we've mentioned it already, there are some blog posts up there that you can go and read and follow along with as well, if that is of interest. And of course, I always love hearing from you folks. If you are listening to the content, if it's useful, drop me a message. It always makes me smile just to understand how people are listening and engaging with the content. But if there is something you want to see more of, let me know, because that is how I prioritize the content. So with that, folks, I wish you a great week ahead. Hope it's a great one. Stay safe, stay healthy, and until the next one, bye for now.